Okay, great, you have created your first YouTube channel. Now I'll show you how to customize your channel by changing or uploading a logo and the channel art, or what do you call that, like a channel banner, which when people head into your channel, that will be the first thing that they see. Alright, and I'll show you how to do that using a free software. Okay, now let's look at the customize channel button at your YouTube channel page itself. So when you click on the customize channel, you'll be greeted to do a new first customization. First thing, you head into branding, and you can upload a picture or a logo or an icon that will represent your branding. Then the next part will be how to upload your banner image. As they mentioned, this image will appear across the top of your channel. Right, video marks are usually what people put, like a subscribe channel, or maybe even your own logo again, to keep it always in the video itself. But today I'm going to show you how to create a free logo and a banner image using Canva. So let's head towards Canva. So if you need to see any of the links, I will be attaching them in the description below, so you can refer to the description if you need more information. After you're in canva.com, you can do two things. Either you can try to do a quick search on what type of art that you want to create, or you can actually sign up so that it can keep a record of all that you have done. So I've done that for myself. So for you, you may choose to do that, but for the sake of this video, I'll just head straight to doing a YouTube icon. So now I'll just type in the YouTube icon under the search bar. Okay, and you can see that pops up, and it will immediately pop you to a page where it already provides a template or the size that you need to use for uploading the YouTube icon. So for example, now I want to pick any of these free ones. Let me try and pick maybe say, or you can choose. Okay, there are a couple of items that you can choose. You can choose to upload your own image. Obviously, you can also choose photos from their library. There are free versions, there are paid versions, but for this case, I'll just show you how to create free ones. Elements, of course. Text, later I'll show you how to add text if you need to. And for the sake, let's choose a template, and I'll choose the one that pops up straight away. Let's choose this one, and in this case, I'm free to just change anything I want. Let's say I were to put in the title, maybe technical vibes. Okay, and you can resize it to whatever you want, and you can easily align it, right? Move it or increase the size of the text. Then you can even choose to remove or change anything, change the background and stuff like that. In this case, this doesn't look the correct one, so I have to delete it, and I can put in some elements like maybe I put in computer. Alright, let's see when I hit computer if there's anything that pops up. Okay, I would love to use this Apple stuff, but it's obviously paid version when you see the Pro. So I just click on something like that. Alright, and I can actually just send this image to the back so that it appears at the back of the image, and enlarge it, and there you have it. You can also change the background color by clicking on this button here, and maybe just turning into this color. Alright, and maybe just changing the text colors or increasing the font size. It's really up to you. There are many ways to change. Once, let's say, you are happy with what you have done it, all you need to do is go and click on download. They'll suggest you to put as PNG or JPEG, so it's really up to you if you want to create what kind of a type of file size or file type. So just click on download, and it will save your design, and it will automatically download, right? And you can show in Finder and save this file to wherever you want. Okay, and next I'm going to show you how to create a banner art. So again, just go back to the home page of Canva, discard changes, and type in YouTube maybe channel art, okay, which is already highlighted. Right, there are tons of things you can do here, tons of templates on things like you can do. So they have already laid out the format, the size for your YouTube channel art. And let's pick one. Maybe I will search towards a computer kind of a vibe. Okay, this looks interesting. So it's a free version, so I just need to put in this and create my name again, technical vibe. Okay, so tips, tutorials, leave it there for non-techie folks, maybe, yeah, whatever. So if this is something that I really like, you can even put in your own picture, but for the sake of this video, let's assume I like this, and I'll click on download. Again, I'll just use PNG file type and click on save, and once again it's downloaded, and you can just refer to that. Let's go back to our YouTube channel. Okay, so again, back to YouTube channel. In the customization screen, go towards picture and click on, under customization, go towards branding and then click on upload and choose your picture or icon. So I've already had the icon, I'm going to choose that. I'm going to click on open. Okay, so you can resize. It's a bit off, but for the sake of this, let me just go through. You can obviously create something that is more accurate. So I'm going to click done. There you have it. You have your icon uploaded. Again, the same thing goes. You just click on upload and you can choose your banner image that you created earlier. I click on that. And this shows you when you have your banner art. Depends on the type of device that's viewing the YouTube page channel. So you have some that will show you that when it's going to be viewed on desktop, how it's going to look like. And if it's going to be viewed on TV, how it's going to be looking like. And if you view on all other devices like your mobile phones then or iPads, it may be showing like this. So you just click on done. After you have published your work or changed your whatever icons or banner image, click on view channel. And there you have it. You have your first channel art and your icon. So again, you are free to change this at any time. Right? If you find that these are not what you want, or as time goes by, you start to have a bit more of a branding or vibe regarding your channel that you are heading to, or what you want your channel to be more, so you can easily change this at some further time. So I hope this helps, and now in the next video, I will show you how to upload your first video.